Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a story from Facebook application or from your Facebook account. So first of all, and of course, if you don't have a Facebook application on your phone, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let me just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. Here of course, after opening your Facebook application, that will actually be your main screen. So if you want to remove a story, let me first of all create a story because I have no stories in this account yet. So let me just go and click as you can see here at your profile picture, avatar, or anything at the middle here, which is create a story, or you can click at the top right corner plus icon, then click add story. It is the same thing. Of course, you can create a text, music, green screen, boomerang, or even a selfie. For me, I'm just gonna upload a picture from my gallery randomly, and then of course click add share. You can add stickers, maybe music, whatever you want. Let's just share it only in Facebook because I have Instagram like related or linked with my Instagram with Facebook. That means if you share a story on Facebook, that could share it on Instagram as well. So like no, not now. And as you can see, that is my story is already shared. So let me just go and click at my story. Okay, of course. And of course, as we said, if you want to delete your story or to remove the story, all you need to do, just go and click at the three dots at the top right corner. Of course, you don't see them down because I'm holding the story. If I remove my hands, you'll see the three dots there. Go click on that, then click at delete photo. Then click at delete. And we'll just wait a bit, and as you can see here, there is no story anymore, and I just removed my story. So this will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.